Haitians versus American words.
First up, we got umbrella.
Parapluie.
Oh, I like that.
Parapluie.
All around over there.
À la one bade. Can you say à la one bade? Yeah, à la one bade. Okay.
I like that. Chair.
Chaise.
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 Sandals.
Sandal.
Sandal. Oh, that's fancy. I like that.
Almost the same thing. Ça?
Pas.
Sandal là.
Pas. Sandal là.
Pour moi. Okay.
Bell pepper.
M'oublier que j'ai dit bell pepper. Bell pepper, c'est... M'oublier. I'm on the chat? Okay. I'm on the chat GPT.
The Haitian Creole of bell pepper is called piment douce.
Piment douce! Piment douce. Okay.
My favorite is umbrella. Say it again.
Umbrella? Parapluie.
Parapluie. I think that's pretty.
À la one bade.
Oh, one bad that.
Tu can't mess your feel. Nale.